Every career video tells you the same thing. Learn to code, get into software engineering, land the six-figure job. And that's not wrong, but it's incomplete because there's a whole tier of engineering roles sitting just above that conversation. Roles that are harder to fill, more strategically critical, and in many cases paying considerably more. Roles that almost nobody is making content about. Today we fix that. 7 engineering careers, real compensation, and the honest reason AI is making most of them more valuable, not less. Stay for number 1. That one changes the frame entirely. The job title sounds almost boring, Site Reliability Engineer or SRE, until you understand what's actually at stake. At companies like Google, Stripe, or Cloudflare, 1 minute of downtime can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. SREs are the engineers who make sure that never happens. They sit at the intersection of software and systems, building infrastructure and automating recovery. Because their work maps directly to revenue protection, companies pay accordingly. Median total comp, $180,000 to $260,000 plus at major tech firms. With AI handling routine monitoring, SREs are being pushed toward deeper architectural work, the kind machines still can't touch. Role number 6, Embedded Systems Engineer. This role has been around for decades, but it's having a moment. They write software that runs directly on hardware, pacemakers, EV sensors, industrial robots, and aerospace systems. These engineers work in C and C++, where a bug doesn't just cause a bad user experience, it causes a physical failure. The demand is enormous. Compensation range, $140,000 to $220,000, with defense and aerospace pushing further. Role number 5, Quantitative Engineer. This is where engineering and finance collide at the highest level. They're building the infrastructure that execution algorithms run on. Ultra-low latency systems, real-time data pipelines, microsecond precision. Total compensation at top firms, $250,000 to $500,000 plus. Those numbers are real. For those who qualify, there is no better compensated role. Role number 4, Machine Learning Infrastructure Engineer. Almost nobody talks about the engineers who build the plumbing for AI. They optimize GPU utilization across massive clusters. They build the deployment layer that takes AI from research to production. Compensation, $180,000 to $300,000. AI is making this role more necessary, not less. It is the role AI cannot automate. Role number 3, Semiconductor and Photonics Engineer. We need to go below the software layer for this one. This is one of the most strategically valued disciplines in the world. With the CHIPS Act, there is serious institutional money here. Compensation, $130,000 to $230,000. It's a field where national security implications drive government funding. Role number 2, Robotics Software Engineer. We are in the early innings of a physical automation revolution. They write code that gives machines the ability to see and act. The software is running on a machine moving through space. Failures have real consequences. Compensation, $160,000 to $280,000. Engineers who understand both AI and physical control are in a class of their own. I saved this one for last because it reframes everything. Role number 1, Computational Biology and Bioinformatics. They bridge biology and machine learning. This isn't just about revenue, it's about diseases understood and treatments designed. Compensation, $150,000 to $270,000 plus. If you're deciding where to double down, this is a multi-decade bet I'd make. 7 roles, each one technically demanding, each one hiring. The pattern isn't random. Every role lives at an intersection. That's the real insight. The highest leverage careers go to people who built rare skills at the boundary between 2 fields. If this shifted your thinking, subscribe, drop a comment. Which role surprised you most? See you in the next video.